Hello, everyone. It's that time again. We're going to do a giveaway. So, this is a little bit confusing, but I'm going to explain how this all happened. So, the Shop Disney cans that we get, which are the Backstage Collection, they, you can do them in 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and they come in order, as long as you start near the beginning of when they start doing it. So we got the number 1 can, number 2 can, number 3, and now I had only ordered 3 months worth, and so I had to reorder. So I sent them an email and said, I'm reordering for 6 months. I want to make sure that I start with the number 4 can. And they said, great, no problem. So I signed up for it, and I even sent them my confirmation number so they could cross-reference it and make sure it was correct. And the thing that showed up in the mail was the number 1 can. So, sent them another email and said, now what? A week later, the number 4 can. So they sent me an email and said, feel free to keep the number 1 can and give it to a family member. So I'm going to give it to one of you guys. So that is all coming up right now. Alright, so just to show you what the... I'll wait on this one. Let's do the new one. So this is number 4, Haunted Mansion. I'll throw a picture up on the spinner so you can take a better look. I love these cans. They're so cool, and I've got those 3. So let's take a peek at what we got in here. Alright. First things first, now I want to explain something. So, a lot of our subscriptions have been getting more and more geared towards me. So, when I re-upped for the 6 months, we switched the t-shirt size to Mary's. So, this is gonna be interesting. So the Disney Backstage Collection is cool t-shirts. They come with a pin and they come with a coaster that kind of tells the story of that particular month's container. And of course, the first time I switched to a different size, it's Haunted Mansion, which is awesome. So let's take a look at this together. I have no idea what this is gonna look like. That's really cool. So that almost reminds me of Pirates, but very cool. Oh, and then on the back, it's got very cool. Should I put it on? Yeah, what the heck. So my sister keeps telling me, I keep getting shadows from that my t-shirts are too big. But I understand what she's saying, but I can't stand, like, the sleeves are all... So, there's the shirt. Alright, time to get back to comfortable. Okay. Sorry, Amy, I can't do it. Alright. Let's do the card first. Got a creepy cat on there. I'll throw a picture of the information up right there so you can read it along. You probably read it better than I can because I can't read. The year is 1967 and the Haunted Mansion attraction at Disneyland Park is under development. Imagineers are busy creating its spooky residence, the 999 haunts, inspired by old ghost stories like The Drummer of Tedworth, an English legend about a phantom drummer. Oh, that's who he is. Your exclusive tee shows an early sketch of the drummer as a ghoulish skeleton pirate. This and other eerie concepts were later adapted into happier haunts, with the drummer, no longer a skeleton, joined by 4 other spectacle bandmates to make up the Phantom 5 in the graveyard. That's why I didn't recognize him. So that was their original concept for it. I really like this stuff, and so there's a pin in here as well, so all of this is completely exclusive to the Backstage cans. So if you want that, they are, depending on how many months you pay for, the cheaper it gets. So it starts at 40 bucks for 3 months, and I think it's like $37.50 for 6 months, or 35 bucks each month for a year. So this, I think this is the first one that actually has a price tag on it, which is a little weird, because I don't know why they would have... Interesting. Maybe they're just trying to show value, maybe? Although it does have a barcode, so maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they are selling these separately now. That's cool. So this is the frame of this is like the Haunted Mansion sign, which I actually have one. I'll show you a picture. Boop, right here. And then the inside of that has that same cat face. And I'll throw a better picture of this, boop, right there, so you can check that out. Very cool. Learn something new every can. All right, so I'm not going to completely open this one up. I will just show you what's in here, and if you'd like to see really, you know, it all opened up and everything, look down in my other videos. I have another one that has me holding this, and that would be what that video is about. So there is a t-shirt in here, and this is a large, so there's the t-shirt. I got it. Here is the coaster with the story. And this is my favorite pin out of all of them so far. This is meant to represent the front window of Walt's first studio, and it's see-through. I really like this. So, this is what the giveaway will be, and if you would like to have a chance at this, the same rules apply as the last one. So you must do several things. You must like this video. You would have anyway though, right? You must comment down below, and you have to fill out a Google form. So look down in the description, right down there, and there is a link to the Google form, and you'll have to just fill out your YouTube name and your email address, and those are what we're going to use to select someone. Don't worry, I'm not going to email you anything. I'm not that fancy. I just need a way to actually communicate directly to the winner and know that it's them. So if you want this, do those things and it'll be your shot at it. That's all I got for now. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it is right there. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, which would be awesome, the button's right there. Hope you're having a great day.